In this session, I am going to explain creation and insertion on circular double linked list. Let us see how it is created by using a C function. First, here let us create a simple circular double linked list which contains 3 data nodes. Here I am declaring a what this one header files. Then I am creating a node by using a struct node. Here you can see there are two variables, that is next and previous. This next will store the address of the next node, and previous will store the address of the previous variable, and this is the data where actually the information is stored. That means it is having three fields, that is previous, data and next. After that I am writing the main function. I am taking my list and I am naming that one as struct node my list equals to null, that is I am initializing that to the null. Then struct node of first, I am assigning it is a first node. Then allocate a second node in the heap by first equals to struct node malloc size of struct node first of data equals to 10, that means I am inserting a 10 value. First value next is null because it is in a single node, and prev equals to null. We have told that initially the both address value will be null. Then I am start linking to the head, that is link with the head node, that is the first node. My list equals to first, linking next of the node will be the head, that means first of next equals to my list. Then what I am doing next, I am linking to the previous node to the first, that is my of list prev equals to the first. Next I am adding a second node. I am declaring struct node second. Then allocate a second node in the heap, that is once again I should allocate a memory. Second equals to struct node malloc size of struct node second of data equals to 20, that is I am assigning a value 20 to the second node. I am assigning second of next equals to null because it is the second node, for that reason it will be the null. Then what will be there in the previous? The previous will hold the address of the first node, for that reason we are taking second of prev equals to the first, then first of next equals to the second. After that what I am doing, I am linking to the node with the head, that is second of next equals to the my list. Then I am linking the previous of the head, for that I am taking my list of prev equals to the second. Now I am creating another node, that is third node. For that reason I am taking struct node of third. See, this is all or same pattern. That means linking is a very important in the linked list. See, struct node, I am declaring another node. Then allocate a node in the heap. For that allocation I need a memory. By malloc I am declaring a or allocating a memory to the third variable. After allocating I am inserting a 30 into a data field. Then next is always connected to the null. What happens now? In previous it is the stores the address of the second node. In second node what happens? See here you can see it will store the address of the first. In first what happens? It will is having null value. Now you can see third of prev equals to the second, then second of next equals to the third. Then I am linking to node with the head, then third of next equals to my list. Then I am linking the previous of the head. For that reason I am making my list of prev equals to the third. Then I am returning a 0. Then inserting a node in a circular double linked list. In this section we will see how a node is added to a already existing circular double linked list. We will take two cases and then see how insertion is done in each case. Rest of the cases given for double linked list. What are those? The new node is inserted at the beginning, then the new node is inserted at the end. These are same in double linked list. First, I will take inserting a node at the beginning of the circular linked. See here, you can see I have explaining diagrammatically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes is there. Then I will start here, allocate a memory for a new and initialize it data part of 9. For that reason, I am taking a new node. Here we have explained how node is created. I will tell struct node. In that node, we are taking a 3 field. One is data, that is hint data. Here it is 9. Then struct new node equals to the this one. I am taking it is a preview, and struct node I am taking this one as a next. Here it is initially it will be also null, and this is also null. Now it is a very important how it is connected to a first node. For that reason, I am taking a pointer variable pointer that points to the first node. Here you can see the start and pointer. Next, what happens? I will move this pointer to here, that is previous one, and next I will connect to the one variable. Move pointer so that it now points to the last node of the list. This is the last node of the list, and insert a new node in the between pointer and start the node. That means start is connected to the here. If I take this is a previous, and this is now next, and this is an head, then or new variable, then I am taking this to the next variable. See here you can see the diagrammatically how it is connected. Then start will now point to the new node. That means here next equals to the head, and this what happens? This is connected to the new variable, that is next is connected to, if I take this is an start, then this is an new node, that is n, then n of next equals to the start of the next. That means here you can take start of the preview. This is the preview. Now I am explaining the algorithms how it has been done of a circular double linked list. First, if I will check if it is available. If available equals to null, right, it is overflow and go to the step 13. That means it will come exit of the loop. If it is false, then I am setting a new node and I am making it is an available. Then available equals to the available of next. After that, new node data is equals to the value. That means I am inserting a value to the new node. Then I am setting a pointer to a start. Repeat 7 while pointer is not equal to the start until the loop is come out of the loop. That means a pointer equals to the pointer of next. When it is comes out of that one, next I am setting pointer of next equals to the new node. Then new node equals to the preview of pointer. Then new node next equals to the start. Then start of preview equals to the new node. Then start equals to the new node. Then after this it will come exit of the loop or exit of the run. Here you can see how it is done. Here element is inserted at end beginning. I have taken at front end. Now I am inserting a element at rear end. For that reason, same procedure, I am taking a new node, that is 3 fields will be there. One is previous, data, and next. In data I am inserting a 9, and initially it is also null, and this is also null. Now I should connect this 9 to the this one. I am taking, if I take a temp as a 2, what happens? Temp of next equals to the here what, here I am taking a new node, that is temp of next, that is pointer variable, it is there. I am taking temp is a variable, then temp of next equals to the what, previous of new node, that is prev of new, and then last, here this last variable, this address is connected to the start variable. That means this new of next equals to the what happens, the start of the first one, that is start of the prev. See here, move the pointer to the point of the last node of the list so that the new node can be inserted after it. That means here if I take this is an temp of next equals to the prev of new node, and here next what happens, here if I take start one is, then new node of next equals to the start node of previous. Here you can see here it is there. I will explain from beginning. If available equals to null, same thing, write is overflow, then go to the step 12, that means exiting. If not, set a new node that is equals to available, then available equals to available of the next. When new node of data is created, I am inserting in a value, then next equals to the start. That means in a node next it will holds the address of the start value, then pointer equals to the start, and I am moving pointer equals to the pointer of next. That means repeat this step 8 while pointer of next not equals to the start. That means until the condition is equals, it will be on looping. When it is true, then pointer of next equals to the new node, then I am setting new node that equals to prev equals to the pointer, then at last I am making start prev equals to the new node, then exit, then it will come exit of the loop. Thank you.